Hello guys, Abena'sKitchen is back. So after my tolobi video, most of you requested for the salted pig feet video. So this is it. All you need is some salted pig feet and some salt. I have 1.2 kilograms of pig feet fresh from the butchers. I'm going to transfer them into a plastic bag. You can also use a container with a lid. Because it's a video tutorial, I'm going to measure the salt. I normally don't measure the salt when I'm doing this. I added 5 tablespoons of salt in total. Make sure you shake it very well so that the salt will get to all parts of the meat. You see me adding another tablespoon of salt. This was because I added 4 tablespoons at first and I saw that it wasn't enough, so I quickly added 1 tablespoon to it. That makes it 5 tablespoons of salt in all. I'm going to wrap it in another plastic bag. Today I'm working for my conservatory and it's a very cold place because there's no heating system. After the tolo beef video, most of you guys asked if they could do their tolo beef in the fridge. So I'm going to make an experiment with this. As you can see, I've got another bowl of pig feet. It's the same weight, 1.2 kilograms, and then 5 tablespoons of salt added to it. Only difference is the one I'm unwrapping now, the one in the white plastic bag, was placed in a cold place similar to a fridge, and the one in the blue bag was placed in the kitchen. That is a warm place. As you can see, this one looks pinkish. Let's see how the other one looks like. The difference is it's got more blood in it, and then the color, it's less pink. The other one looks like it's still fresh, but this doesn't look like fresh meat. I put them beside each other so you could see the difference. This is day 4. The one in the white plastic bag still looks pink and the blue bag looks ready. Ready because the process of the salt penetrating into the meat is quicker when it's in a warm place. I'm going to transfer the blue one into the freezer for whenever I need it, and then leave the white bag for an extra day. So guys, just to let you know, you can do it in the fridge, but it will take you more time before you can use it for your soups. Thank you all for watching. Comment, like, share and subscribe to Abena'sKitchen. Bye.